Have you ever been excited to create an interactive plot only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the type error that can pop up when using Matplotlib with PyQt5. I know how annoying it is when you think you have everything set up correctly, only to be met with an error that seems to come out of nowhere. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face this issue when trying to plot with Matplotlib in Jupyter Notebook. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do I get a type error when trying to plot with Matplotlib in PyQt5?" They provided their code and mentioned that while using %matplotlib inline works fine, switching to %matplotlib qt leads to this error. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this type error? This error typically occurs when a required argument is missing in a function call. In this case, it seems like the figure object is not being passed correctly when trying to create a new plot window. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future and make your plotting experience smoother. To resolve the type error, the user should first ensure that they are creating a figure before plotting. This can be done by explicitly calling the figure function from Matplotlib. Next, the user should check if they are using the correct backend for interactive plotting. Since they are using Jupyter Notebook, they should ensure that the backend is set to Qt. After setting the backend, the user should verify that the data being plotted is valid. This means checking that the lists being passed to the plot function are not empty and are of the same length. Finally, the user should run the plotting commands again. If everything is set up correctly, the interactive plot should display without any errors. Did you know? Matplotlib was originally developed by John Hunter in 2003 as a way to create plots for Python. It has since become one of the most popular plotting libraries in the world. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue might be a bug in the Qt4 backend of Matplotlib. They recommend switching to Qt5 by using the command matplotlib qt5 instead. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always create a figure object before plotting. This simple step can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to plot without encountering that pesky type error. Remember, creating a figure object is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus content on mastering Matplotlib.